I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the stash command in Git. The git stash command is a powerful tool for developers. It allows you to temporarily save changes that are not ready to be committed, letting you switch contexts without losing your work. This is incredibly useful when an urgent task arises, and you need to quickly clean your working directory. To stash your current changes, simply type git stash. This command saves all modified tracked files and staged changes. If you want to add a message for better organization, use git stash pushim your descriptive message here. For more granular control, you can even stash specific files by specifying them after git stash push. Remember, untracked files are ignored unless you use the U option. Once you're ready to bring your stash changes back, you have a couple of options. Git stash apply will reapply the most recent stash to your working directory, leaving the stash entry intact. If you want to apply the changes and simultaneously remove the stash from your list, use git stash pop. To apply an older stash, specify its index, like git stash apply stash at 1. Managing your stashes is straightforward. To see a list of all your saved stashes, simply run git stash list. Each stash will have an index like stash at 0. If you no longer need a particular stash, you can remove it using git stash drop stash at index. To clear all stashes at once, use git stash clear. You can also inspect the contents of a stash with git stash show.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.